Good morning. Liam and I are just about ready to go out the door. Surprisingly enough, Gabby is sleeping in. Usually as soon as I wake Liam up, she's up and ready to go, but she's still asleep, so we're gonna go wake her up. Come on, let's go wake up Gabby. Come on. Oh, Liam, do you want this banana? Do you want it? Get it. I'm gonna wake up Gabby so we can go, and so we're on time today. Gabby. Gabby. Hey, mommy. Gabby. She's usually not this hard to wake up. Usually if I just touch her, she'll wake up. Gabby. 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 It's time to wake up. Gabby. Oh. Gabby. Is it weird that Gabby's not waking up this early, Liam? You gonna try? There she goes. There you go. Hi, Gabby.
That was magical for me.
That was magical? Why?
For me.
Why?
I think that was
Let there be light.
magical for me. When I wake her by magic.
Oh, you woke her up with magic, is what you mean. Hi, Gabby.
That's because
Gabby,
I'm super.
We have to go brush. We have to take your brother to
Oh,
school. Come on. Come on, Gabby. Come on. We gotta go take Liam to school. Hi. Good morning. How did you sleep? Did you sleep good? Yeah. Oh, I love you. Okay, let's go. You need a banana? You want anything else to eat? Oh, he's not feeling so good. He has a cough.
And my voice is losing and my throat hurts.
Your throat hurts? Well, let's get you some medicine before you go to school, okay? Okay. Alright, we're out. You just... I love you.
I love you too.
Mwah, love you. Have a good day, okay?
Okay.
We'll see you later.
I'll see you later too.
Liam, we gotta get down. Run to class, okay? There he is. Okay, so it's time to take Gabriella to school. Gabby. Gabby. Oh, wait. I need my keys. Hi. How do you feel? Good. Let me see. Where's these keys? Where are they? And I have to bring all of this stuff in. Guys, I cannot find my keys. I don't know. Where did I put them? Oh, I found them. Okay, Gabby. Oh, it just got really foggy. Uh-oh. All better. Hi, Gabby. Hi! You ready to go to school? No. Would you rather stay home? No. Would you rather go to the park? No. What would you rather do? Nothing? Nothing? Alright, I'm gonna get her in class. Yes I am. Yes I am. Yes I am. You're such a pretty girl. My hair is super, super heavy. I know you guys are like, why do you have your hair up like that? Because I hate when it's down and I'm driving, because it, like, I sit back on it. I don't know how people do it with long hair. I sit back on it and it like hurts when I try to like lean forward. But like this hair, yeah. It is so heavy. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. My neck feels like it's like, especially so I have to drive with it like this. Because that's like the only way I feel comfortable right now. Oh, and look, it just does what it wants. Guys, guess what? Today is another slow day at work, so I got to take it off. Well, take off the rest of the day. So I'm gonna go get lunch, probably Wendy's, because Wendy's is bomb. And then I'm gonna go clean up the house. There's a couple of stuff that I want to do. I want to wash the dishes, get the clothes folded. Then I'm gonna go get the kids from school, and then there's this little fun place that I want to take them to. So we'll probably go do that. Maybe, we'll see. But I'm so excited. I get to be off of work. So I have Liam, and how was school today, Liam?
Good.
It was good?
See that thing?
What thing? Of the lighting. We're gonna try to do something a little bit fun. We're gonna go to the Wow Factory. I've actually never been here, but Liam has. He used to come all the time, right? Yeah, he used to come with Nana all the time. Okay, so we just went in. I think I'm gonna go get Gabriella. Liam's behind me. Are we gonna go get Gabby, Liam? He's not happy about it, but they have a section for kids, and it's $12.95 for the all day, but we wouldn't be there all day, so I don't know what we're gonna do, but we might either come back or we might do it now. And look at Liam. What are you doing? Can you get down? Thank you. Let's go. Let's go, Liam. Come on. Thank you. So we might go to a regular park or we might come back. I don't know. So I just got Gabby. Gabby, what?
Mommy,
What?
Gabby.
You're just smiling.
Mommy.
Aww. What's going on, Gabby? Be nice. Liam, look at Liam's eyes. Look at me, Liam. Come here closer. Oh my God. Your eyes are beautiful, Liam. Do you guys see those beautiful eyes? What? What color do you think Liam's eyes are? I think they're hazel. They're so pretty. And Gabby has pretty eyes too. My kids just have amazing eyes.
Let me see.
You want to see? Okay, I'm going to show you the footage. Take what?
Picture.
You want me to take a picture? Okay, I'm going to take a picture so you can see. What? Oh. What? 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 You guys are crazy.
I want it.
Oh, my mommy's calling me. Let me answer. Liam was literally begging me to go to the Wow Factory, and as soon as we pick Gabriella up from school, look what happens. He is knocked out, and I don't blame him. I'm super tired as well. It's just one of those days, but it's so funny because he did not even want to leave to go get Gabby, and I'm like, it's only gonna take 2 seconds to go get her, and look, he's sleeping. So instead of going to the Wow Factory, we're home, and we're just gonna go upstairs because we could save the Wow Factory for like Friday or something, because today is just, it's a tiring day, right, Gabby? Yeah. You tired? You tired? Are you tired? I don't know, but I think Gabby, a couple days ago I told you guys Gabby has 2 teeth at the top, 2 teeth at the bottom, and I think she's getting her molars, which is crazy because that would mean that she's getting her molars before any other than the 4 that she has. Other than those 4, that means she would be getting her molars, the back teeth, before any other teeth come out. That is so weird. I've never seen that happen. Is that what's going on with you, Gabby? Do you have your molars coming out? Maybe? I'm gonna go check. Gabby, can I see your back teeth? Oh, can you go yeah, let's see, no, no, oh, don't point me, don't do that. You ready to go upstairs? Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna go upstairs. So as we were coming up the stairs, the whole way Liam was screaming that he was tired and that he was crying and screaming that he's tired. So he's gonna take a nap. Me and Gabby are gonna play out in the living room. Look at her brother. Why are you bothering your brother? Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let brother rest. He's very tired. And we're just gonna play. You wanna play, Gabby? This is a cool toy. My mom bought her this toy. I think it's so cool. It has like all of these little different stations. It's really cool. And this can entertain her for like maybe like 10 minutes. She's not a really sit still. I mean, she sits still, but she's not like play with one type of toy for hours type of baby. Like she'll play with one toy for like 10 minutes and then she's done. She's over it. So we'll probably get like 10 minutes out of this. So Liam is about to go to bed. I'm gonna put him to bed. Gabby is gonna help me because she loves to put him to bed and then smack him in the face. So we're gonna take her out before she could do that. But good night, Liam. I love you.
Good night.
I love you.
I love you too.
You're gonna have sweet dreams. Yeah. Okay, so Liam is asleep. I don't think he was feeling too good, so he's sleeping. Hey, Gabby. Gabby, go. Gabby, your hand doesn't have to be there. Your hand does not have to be there. Dance. Let me see you dance. Do you dance? Go, Gabby. Go, Gabby. Go, Gabby. Go, Gabby. Go. Go, Gabby. Go, Gabby. Go. Go, Gabby. Go, Gabby. Oh, oh. She's driving the way. Oh! Don't fall, Gabby. Oh, she loves her daddy.
And the spit walk.
Oh, go, Gabby. Go, Gabby. Go. You guys are so adorable.
Like, oh.
So that's pretty much it for today's video, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
Oh, where you learned that, Gabby? Where you learned that from? She's pulling off. She's even seeing you drop your low right here.
Bye, guys.